Here I have Motorola Moto G51, and today I'm going to show you how to enable watermark on this device. So firstly I have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings. Then here you have photos, watermark. So you have device watermark, and you can also add a timestamp. And now let's try to take a photo with our new watermarks. And as you can see, here we have our timestamp and our device name. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.